everybody, Dave Williamson, Toy Car Collector here, also Redline Collector. I am a Redline Collector and I do have a website, RedlineCollector.com. It's really fabulous. Go take a look and check it out. But also, if you want to buy some stuff, come to ToyCarCollector.com where I will be opening boxes as often as possible. But today I got a gigantic box and I'm going to show it to you right now and open it. Oh, I can't wait to get into this box. It has so many good things in it. The collection looked really nice and I had to have it. So here it is. This gentleman who sold it to me sent it in this gigantic box. He sent it fast, 3-day UPS all the way across the country. It's amazing. I can't believe it. He would do that. It's so fantastic. Let's get this thing open right now. All right, everybody, for the first part of this video, I'm going to open up this box, take out the track and the carry cases and all that, and then I'll move over to the chair and do my regular thing where I open up each car one at a time, and show them to you. I'll see it for the first time. Well, second time I've seen the pictures, but in real life, this will be the first time for me and the first time for you. Thanks for joining me for this fabulous Redline Collection opening video. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what's in this box. I think the box is upside down, possibly. Ooh, hey, look at that. There is, this particular collection had several track sets with it, but the track set boxes were kind of beat up, so I said, no, don't worry about those, just send me the track, that's fine. So I can't get anybody to buy used track sets. Everybody wants really minty ones in new and sealed boxes. Oh, look at all this packing material. I love this packing material. Love it. Look at all of it. Here it is. Yay. And look at this track. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Package of track. Oh, yeah. You know, I've actually looked at some track this week. I had a big order from Australia that included 20 pieces of track, and I discovered at least 4 different types of track. And I'm not going to tell you what they are right now, but someday I will. 4 different types of track, and you don't want mix and match track, you want them all the same. This looks to be the low-sided track with the beaded, and anyway, I don't even go there. Oh, look at this, I've been waiting for this. Half curves. I like this type. These are the ones that don't have the supports in the middle, so you can put them on top of each other. And these quarter turns, which I need 8 of, here's 4 of them, but I need 8 of these right now to make the track that I want to make. Oh my gosh, this guy was so organized. He made a beautiful list of everything and had it all kind of priced out in advance. Let's move this camera just a little here. I think is that crooked? I think that's crooked. Whoa, what's happening? Okay, all right. So, look at that. We've got the books from the Boss Haw set. Oh my gosh, look at the work this fella did. He looked up every single car, went through all the details. I'm gonna read this stuff. I might learn something. Good stuff in there. Strip action set instructions. Double dare. No, drag race action. Love these instructions. Stunt action. Oh yeah, stunt action. Problem with the set boxes is that they had tape all over them, so that wasn't going to be any good. You ever tried tape? You can take tape off of boxes, but man, is it a lot of work. And this one is for the big track. Oh, look at that. That's a beauty. That's beautiful. I want to put that set together right there. Absolutely. Can't wait to put that set together. Actually, it's my wife that really loves the track sets. Look at this. Got a 12-car wheel right there. 12-car wheel. And, oh, look at this. What is this? This is a tray from the inside of a Matchbox case right here. That is a tray. And what's this? Warman's Field Guide. Man, this guy did a lot of research. That's a lot of reading, a lot of work. Okay. And what's this? What's this? Whoa. It's a 48 car flat case. These are my favorite. I got about 6 of these. They look really nice all stacked together and displayed. They are fantastic. Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet dude. This is totally cool. This is a big old piece of Lego something or other. So you can put Lego figures and Lego houses on it. I love that. I gotta make something out of Lego one of these days. And some of the mediums, the adjustable size tracks so you can get in and out of your superchargers, whatnot. What in the world? I know there was a bunch of cars. What in the heck is in this box down here? Whoa. There's a big box inside here. I'm not sure what's in it. Oh. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. It's exciting. It's an explosion of Hot Wheels fun right here. That's right. You know, it took me all day to get up the energy to do this. I don't just do this automatically, you know. Had to rest a little bit, had to do some work, and then I get to do this. Open these boxes, yeah. Can you see the box? Nope, no, let's move it back. Look at that, right there. Okay, what's in here, what's in here? Oh, drag race set finish line. Oh yeah, interesting, okay. Oh yes, the other parts, supercharger, single supercharger, yeah. What's this? Ah, yes. The inside piece. I'm glad he sent me this. These are handy. The inside piece from the track set boxes. These are good. If you get a nice track set box, missing the inside piece, which I might have, this is real handy to have. We'll go over that. Oh, look at all this bubble wrap. Love bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Oh, look at that track set clamps. If you never need any track set clamps, I got a bunch of them right here. I got more. Jump ramps, yay, jump ramps. And inside this box, what? Another box. This is almost like a Russian egg thing. What do they call those? Yes, nested figures. They're so fantastic. Track accessories right here in this box. Here we go. What do we got? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a bonus of stuff right there. We've got start gates, we've got finish gates, and my favorite part, these two little guys that you put the 12-car rally case on, set it up over your track so it looks super cool. There's some stickers in here for start lines. There's, oh man, look at that. Start gate, finish gate. It's got lap counters. I got a bunch of this stuff tonight. You can never have too much of it because this summer we're setting up a bunch of tracks. Racing Hot Wheels. So there it is, right there. All the stuff in this box and this big beautiful box as well, which is 16 by 12 by 12. That's a big, nice box right there. Did I show you everything in this one? Oh yes, it's beautiful. Okay, all right. Well, am I not gonna look at this all? Well, yeah, let's go ahead and look at this box right here. Why not? Let's do it. This is a very odd angle to be shooting a video from, but I thought I'd give it a try right now. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Blister packies. Oh, I don't even know if I saw these. Oh, wow. That's a green power pad. It's almost as if the fellow read my mind. I've been wanting a green power pad with a shiny bottom. This one's got a little corrosion on the base. But that puppy's coming out of that blister pack right there. I got a paddy wagon and a twin mill in olive. I love the twin mill in olive. So let's see what else is in there. Let's see. Well, this is interesting. Because on the outside it says drag race set finish line. And it's in cardboard. And it's wrapped up, and where are we at? We're probably at around 10 minutes on this video already. And you know how those YouTubers are, they don't want to sit for more than 10 minutes to watch a video, so I may break this up into pieces. I don't know. Tell me what you think about breaking videos up, because I can really talk for like 30 minutes once I get going. Oh, I see. It's one of these. Ta-da! 2 into 1, 1 into 2. This one's got a little stress in it, but still good. And what else was in here? I guess that's it. It was just a piece of nicely wrapped. This guy knows what he was doing. He knew what he was doing. He might have gone to the UPS store. I don't know. A lot of good packing material right there. And this is fabulous right there. I think it's for Lego. I hope it's for like minifigures. Hey, as a matter of fact, look over here. I think I have a minifigure. My little grandson loves minifigures. And we got some for him, and then we got some for ourselves. Ta-da! The Pharaoh. Now I can put minifigures on this. In fact, I have some minifigures to open. Batman minifigures. Yeah, always reminds me of my grandson. Hello to my grandson in Germany, if you're out there. Are you out there, Ryan? Ryan! Hello from the USA. Hello from the USA. All right, look at all these. Wow. Look at all these. These are hard to get your hands on, you know. I keep these. They're like gold. This summer, we're going to run a track all the way down the length of the front of our house, which is like 100 feet. Not the house. House is only this big, but the yard is like this big, and I know because I mow that thing. And it is nice. So, all right, that's all for this part. Stay tuned. Part 2, opening up the red lines. Here we go.